this engine. You can see that narrow profile. It's Ken Fly's aerobatics. This made it fast and deadly, and also fuel efficient. The reason it had enough fuel for the 8-hour round aerobatics, nobody, and I mean nobody, flies like Rob Holland. Started flying in 1992. He's amassed over 14,000 hours of flight time in over 180 different types of aircraft. And as he does a quick shakeout to make sure the airplane is behaving exactly as it should, before he commits to this aggressive aerobatic routine, I want to point out that this MX aircraft was designed specifically not only for aerobatics, but specifically for the way Rob Holland flies. He is incredibly aggressive on the controls and incredibly precise. You have never seen this kind of precision when it comes to flying. It is uncanny, his ability as he drops it down, building up the smash. Please welcome Rob Holland, your 11-time U.S. national champion. Watch the airplane as he rolled to the top. You'd think he'd be out of energy. He increases that smash now and pushes negative G's. Up he climbs still higher. Why? He wants to convert that altitude into more energy. But how do you do that? You flip forward in a complete forward somersault and then reconnect coming down and you fly out of it. He's still connected, and that is amazing flying. To flip the airplane end over end and continues flying out of it again. He stays connected, sliding across the shoreline to spin it like a frisbee. Things you're not supposed to be able to do, let alone stay connected and fly out of it and actually right away. Inverted now, negative G's pushing up, which means he gets to taste breakfast and lunch all over again. All the fluids in your body go up into your head. Sometimes against the clouds he sees pink because there's blood in his eyes. It's crazy how bad it can feel. It speaks to his physical fitness about how he can tolerate both these positive and negative G's. Rob Holland. Again, tumbling the airplane end over end, over end, over end, over end, and he rolls it out and again flies out of it inverted. I think you can already see why he has won the national championship now 11 times, 5 times freestyling at the World Championships. Rob Holland. Up and around he goes again, into the vertical, heading straight up, precisely stopping that airplane and then pulling up to do what? Pitch it forward again, around he goes and then flies out of it, inverted and then rolling. Snaps it on the way down and then comes out of that inverted, connected and flying. Man, he's got courage. Gyroscopically spinning across the top now. He's going to convert that altitude into energy, and as he drops down now, the airspeed builds up over 200, 210, 250, 260, 6, 7, 8 Gs to get back up into the aerobatic box, rolling, rolling, pushing, rolling the opposite way, rolling inverted again and pushing up, negative G's again. And flipping the airplane perfectly, precisely around to change direction. Unheard of. Several times and then snapping right up into the vertical with a pushover and almost flying like a helicopter as he rolls out of that now into a flat spin and then flies out of that. So precise, so inventive, constantly coming up with new maneuvers, never wanting to do what other pilots do. And that's why he's one of the world's five times. Rob on the PA here. I'm going to check in with him. Trip down here. How are you? Doing great. Rob, what's up?
Well, what an honor to be here. This is Airport today, flying for everybody. What a legendary place. I'm really honored to be here. I just want to take a moment of everyone's time. As you can allow me to go through your day. I want you to be a military man or one of your corporal. Walk up to a look on the eyes. Thank you.
Laser focused on the way down, rolling one way then the other, then back up into the vertical again now and dialing it up to about 300 miles an hour. He pulls even more G's to reach even higher into the sky, all the way to the top now, still defying gravity. Up he goes, and when he can't win it anymore, he never gives up. Pulls the airplane back out, continues to fly, roll, and into a flat spin he goes, and then snap rolling on the way down. Not enough to be in the spin, he's going to snap roll all the way down and spin the airplane. Incredibly precise, incredible flying as only Rob Holland can. G's down, trying to push him out of the cockpit, and again, hello lunch and breakfast all over again, and then the positive G's, pushing it down into the seat, going 10, 11, 12 G's either way at times, and this airplane is stressed to take it. MX have designed this airplane for Rob, specifically the MXS-RH, Rob Holland's airplane, incredibly precise. Man, how he can maintain the altitude with all those inputs right across and then come out of that again with those punishing negative G's. Insane. Again, flipping the airplane over and very quickly regaining all the control and precisely stopping those rolls. Sliding gyroscopically around to the top, leading off that energy now, ducking back in again, flattening it, muscling out of that. Like the airplane is an extension of Rob Holland. He straps into it, and those wings are his wings. He is so at one with it. And you want to see his point of view. He's all over social media. Rob Holland, of course, has cameras all over that airplane, inside, 360 views as he challenges the sun right now as he has flipped the airplane end over end again, and he's flying out of that now as he drops out of those powerful rays in this incredible routine. Rob Holland. graduated from Daniel Webster College in 1997 with a Bachelor of Science degree in Aviation Management, Bachelor of Science degree in Aviation Flight Operations. He's rated airline transport, pilot, certified flight ground instructor. Rating. He also holds a commercial glider rating. First aviation career, flight instructor, banner tow pilot, ferry pilot. He's done it all, and now the MXS-RH designed, and look at as he spins in what he calls the frisbee across the sky. Another one of his inventions, if you will, the incredibly aggressive, the incredibly talented and creative Rob Holland, your 11-time U.S. national champion, 5-time freestyle world champion. Flat. Settling down and hovering like a helicopter right now, dancing on the edge of stall where the airplane stops flying and falls to the ground. Putting it there as long as he can hold it, powers back on and flies out of complete and utter control at all times. That's the focus of Rob Holland. Closer to the ground, he gets a closer look at you too. As he lines up, he'll take a look. As he rolls to the side, give him a wave with a long knife-edge pass. He gives you both sides of the airplane and not using the wings for lift at all. He pulls away with some heavy G-loads again, snapping that airplane around at an incredible roll rate 3 times to the inverted and then right side up with the 22 Aerospace Valley Open House Air Show and STEM Expo. Well into day 2 now. Celebrating the hard work our airmen provide to the unique flight test mission at Edwards every single day. Everything in aerospace starts here at Edwards. And it's been great to have you here to help celebrate with us.